if you wake up one day and you find that 4 months ago you and your best friend from high school bought a piece of property in the Michigan wilderness that had nothing on it, and you moved out there, you will know that you need two things, a lot of two things, just to be able to survive out here. Number one is moxie, and I don't know what that means. And number two is bungee cords. Gotta have a lot of bungee cords. But a close third is hot sauce. And I do curate a rather fine collection of hot sauces in normal life, and I've gotten rid of, eaten up most of them in preparation for moving out here. Ow. But I still have quite a few, maybe 30 or 40 bottles of hot sauce left that I brought out, and it was fine when it was February and 5 degrees and near frozen. The hot sauce kept fine, but now it's warmed up a bit and the sun's come out. It's gorgeous, and my hot sauces are going a little bit rancid. So we're gonna take care of that problem. We started with inconsequential videos of building stuff like shelters with wood stoves and places to get bathing water, but this video is going to be it's going to be more important things to build these days. So I got an idea somewhere out here. I have a wooden box that I sunk in the marsh to try to collect water. It didn't work at all. If I can find it, I'm gonna turn that into a hot sauce cooler. At least that's the idea. Probably won't work, but I'm gonna do it anyway because it's a beautiful day and I'm sick of building stuff that we need to build. I want to just have some fun and build bizarre stuff. Here it is. One of our coolers is it's a 100% pure hot sauce. And we need the cooler, so we need to make some kind of cool box for the hot sauce, and just realized that I have many failed projects, and this is one of them. Sunk this down in the swamp and thought it'd fill up with water and keep the junk out. Didn't work, so this is going to be the
There's no bottom to
hot
it.
sauce bin. What do you mean there's no bottom to it?
There's no bottom.
Maybe you need to get your eyes checked. Yeah, see? It's your bad eyes. Hot sauce box coming up. So if you find yourself in the woods with your entire hot sauce collection and no place to put it, you naturally reach for the log dogs and a chainsaw. Need the persuader. Man, that guy's making some noise like he's working over there. Look at that. There's a hot sauce box, if I ever saw one. Do you get frustrated when you can't find the right hot sauce for the moment? I sure do. That right there is best hot sauce on the planet. Dawson's. In no way affiliated. Just tastes like great peppers. Pretty hot habanero, but God, it's such a great flavor. So the used box here, it's not really doing it. It needs a lid anyway. It's not high enough for all these bottles. And if you fill it up with ice, all the labels come off. So you need something to contain the ice and at higher sides. This is very important. It might not seem like it. This is important stuff. I just got a cool idea. Instead of using up milled lumber, make a lid out of these. Have a bark top lid on there. Definitely. If it makes me laugh, I'm doing it. They're a lot straighter if you cut them with the circular saw, but we don't have that many batteries, so it's generally chainsaw for everything. That's not too bad. Looks like it would hold some hot sauce. Everything gets so carried away out here. Now, some kind of box in here to dump ice into. Like that, I guess. Fill it full of ice. I just want to cut the stump down because it's where we try to drive the four-wheeler through here, but it's also the only sawhorse we have out here, are stumps. This one's the most convenient to the tools, so it lives on. Hey dude, where do you keep your hot sauce?
Well, I don't know. I keep it in the warm summer sun.
Mm-hmm. Not me. Not anymore.
Are you tired of your hot sauce getting warm in the sun?
Warm and moldy and fermented.
Wah, wah. Well, now we invented the box.
This thing's probably not going to work at all.
Why would you say that?
Well, there must be a good reason there's not a wilderness-styled hot sauce cooler out there on the market.
You mean a bushcraft hot sauce?
Bushcraft hot sauce cooler.
You need to hashtag that.
Well, they have them, but they're, you know, they're not tactical like this. That's the problem. That's why they don't sell. All right, there's the cooler. Now what? What? Why are you looking like that? It's almost like you don't think it's gonna work.
How's the ice?
You just filled it. Let me explain it to you.
I know. I
For 1995.
Why is there? Why is this so high?
Because you fill it all the way to the top with ice, and it just, the cold just comes out the sides very slowly, and a little bit out the top.
Okay.
If it just drops the temperature like 15 degrees, it'll be fine. Just have to keep this whole thing out of the sun.
Yeah.
Like I said, I didn't really think this through. All right. Well, he's not going to be a customer. He's over there making a tent platform. Hasn't even done that yet, and I'm already on the hot sauce ice boxes. The guy is so far behind. Not even funny. All right, these are the biggest hinges that we have, and look at pre-rusted. Darn. Wait, will that work?
Where are you putting the hinge?
Right there. I mean, oh yeah, I'm a dummy. I'll put it down here. I got it covered now. Have a good one. All right. I believe that is finished. What? That's awesome. Let's see what we got here. I got some slightly warm hot sauces.
Cheese and chips.
If you need any hot sauces, you let me know.
Okay.
I'll have a bunch here that are only marginally spoiled. And by spoiled, I mean they've had it too good in there. Let me just go on the side. There it is. The hot sauce cooler in the Michigan wilderness. Anyway, if you like ridiculous videos like this, the Two Stooges in the outdoors, feel free to subscribe or like the videos, and always leave us a comment. Let us know that this, let Tito know this was your absolute favorite video that we've made so far. It'll make my day. And cut.